Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this mouth mask. It's perfect from keeping your hands out of your face throughout this time. So for this project, you'll need scissors, a 3.5mm crochet hook. If you don't have a 3.5mm crochet hook, you can use a 3.75mm crochet hook. You need some yarn. Okay, so to start, we're going to make a slip knot and we're going to chain 10. So now we're going to place a single crochet in the third chain from the hook and every other chain along this row. To reach the end, we'll be chaining 1 and turning our work. We're going to place a single crochet in each previous single crochet. We're going to repeat this until we reach row 4. So row 1, 2, 3, and 4 should be nothing but regular single crochets. So now that we've completed row 4, we'll begin row 5. Now we are also beginning our increases. So you'll chain 1, place a single crochet increase in the first space, single crochet along the next 7 spaces, then place a single crochet increase in the last. Now that row 5 is done, we'll begin row 6. Row 6 is a regular single crochet row. Now that row 6 is complete, we'll begin row 7 and we're back to increasing. However, you'll only be increasing in the first space. So for row 7, 8, 9, and 10, we'll just be chaining 1, placing a single crochet increase in the first space, and single crocheting the row regularly. So now that rows 7 through 10 are complete, we'll begin row 11. Row 11 is just like row 5, so we'll be placing a single crochet increase in the first and last space. You'll chain 1, place a single crochet increase in the first space, single crochet 13, and then place a single crochet increase in the final space. Now we're on row 12. You'll chain 1 and single crochet this row regularly. So now that row 12 is done, we'll begin row 13. You'll chain 1, place a single crochet increase in the first space, and finish the row with just plain single crochets. You want to do this for row 13 and row 14. Here's what your project should look like after 14 rows. So now we're at the midsection of our mouth mask. So for rows 15 through 19, you'll just be placing regular single crochets. Here's what your project should look like after rows 15 through 19. For rows 20 and 21, we'll be chaining 1, placing a single crochet decrease at the beginning, and then completing the row with just regular single crochets. For row 22, we'll chain 1 and single crochet along this row regularly. For row 23, we'll want to chain 1, place a single crochet decrease at the beginning, single crochet in 13 spaces, then place a single crochet decrease in the final 2 stitches. For rows 24 through 27, you'll want to chain 1, single decrease in the beginning, and complete the row by regularly single crocheting. So here's what your piece should look like after 27 rows are completed. Now we'll begin row 28. You want to chain 1 and single crochet this row normally. Now that row 28 is done, we'll begin row 29. You'll want to chain 1, single decrease in the beginning, single crochet in 7 spaces, and then single decrease in the final 2 spaces. Now that row 29 is complete, we'll begin rows 30 through 33. For these rows, you'll want to chain 1 and single crochet as normal. Now that all 33 rows are complete, we're just gonna cut our yarn and we're gonna tie it off. So once your 33 rows are finished, it should look like this. All we have left to do is the border and the ear straps. For your border, you can use a different color. That's what I'm doing, but you don't have to if you don't want to. For the border, we'll just be attaching our yarn and single crocheting along the border until you reach the end. Once you reach the end, we'll be chaining 33. You have your chain of 33, you can begin to single crochet along the other side, and once we reach the end of that side, we'll be chaining 33 as well. Now we're finally back at the beginning. All we're gonna do is slip stitch until that first single crochet and tie off our yarn. You can weave it in if you want to, or glue it down, however you want to do it. But now we are finished. Using a different color border, it's also easy to tell what's the wrong side and what's the right side. But here's what your final product should look like. And here I am just showing you a few others I did. I also embroidered designs on them. I would have done a tutorial on that, but I do not know how to explain embroidery at all. But yeah, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.